Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new Changan Fengjing Voyager Pro, a compact yet surprisingly versatile motorhome designed for travelers who want comfort, practicality, and the freedom to explore beyond the ordinary. Despite its manageable size, this camper combines modern technology, a smart interior layout, and off-road capability in one attractive package. Let's step inside and see what makes it special. As we move through the living area, you'll immediately notice how efficiently the available space has been used. Every corner serves a purpose, creating a comfortable environment for both short getaways and longer adventures on the road. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. For a camper of this size, the washroom feels surprisingly practical. Here you'll find a compact toilet, a shower area, and everything needed for daily comfort while traveling. The layout has been designed to maximize every centimeter, while still providing enough room to use the facilities comfortably. Bright finishes and thoughtful details help create a clean and modern atmosphere, making this compact bathroom feel larger than expected. Moving forward, beneath the seat you'll discover a convenient storage compartment. It's a simple feature, but one that makes everyday camping life much easier. This hidden space is ideal for storing smaller travel essentials, tools, cables, or personal belongings that you want to keep organized and within easy reach. As we continue, we arrive at one of the most attractive areas of the motorhome, the overcab sleeping space. This elevated bed offers a cozy retreat with a panoramic view of the surroundings. Large windows bring in natural light and create an open, airy feeling. The walls are finished with a light-colored diamond-stitched upholstery that adds a premium touch and gives the sleeping area a warm, inviting atmosphere. It's a space that feels comfortable both during the day and at night. Back in the dinette area, practicality meets modern design. Convenient power outlets are located near the table, making it easy to charge devices while working or relaxing. Integrated cup holders help keep drinks secure while traveling, and the induction cooktop adds flexibility for preparing meals on the road. Next, we come to the kitchen equipment. A microwave oven provides quick meal preparation, while the refrigerator offers generous storage for food and drinks. One of the highlights is the separate freezer compartment, allowing you to carry frozen products for longer journeys. Combined with the smart kitchen layout, these features make the Voyager Pro feel ready for extended adventures far from traditional campsites. Next to the entrance, there is a central control panel for the living area. From here, you can lift the roof, control the locks, awning, lights, water pump, refrigerator, and monitor the water levels. Below, there is a 360-degree camera screen with 4 views. Climate comfort is handled by a separate air conditioner with digital controls and 4 adjustable air vents. Under the seat, there is a large 150-liter fresh water tank, which is an excellent capacity for a compact motorhome. It noticeably increases autonomy on the road and allows you to use water for several days without frequent refilling stops. Near the entrance, there is also a convenient outdoor shower, perfect after the beach, walks, bike rides, or active outdoor adventures. On the other side, next to the entrance, you'll find an external power outlet panel. It can be used to connect equipment, charge devices, or run electrical appliances right outside the motorhome. Here we can see the charging port for the motorhome's hybrid power system. The Voyager Pro supports both standard AC charging and fast DC charging at public charging stations. Thanks to its 31.18 kilowatt-hour battery pack and external power supply capability, the motorhome can not only recharge from the grid, but also provide electricity for a variety of appliances while camping off-grid. One of the key features of the Voyager Pro is its air suspension system. It not only improves ride comfort on long journeys, but also helps the motorhome handle uneven terrain with greater confidence. Combined with the intelligent 4-wheel drive system, it makes this compact camper surprisingly capable away from paved roads. Now let's take a quick look at the technical side. Power comes from a 2.0-liter turbocharged gasoline engine, working together with an electric drive system. The hybrid setup delivers impressive efficiency while maintaining the performance needed for everyday travel and outdoor adventures. At the rear of the motorhome, you'll find 3 large exterior storage compartments. These practical lockers provide plenty of space for camping equipment, outdoor furniture, tools, charging cables, or other travel essentials. It's a smart solution that helps keep the interior organized and clutter-free. Overall, the Changan Fengjing Voyager Pro combines compact dimensions with impressive functionality. With a length of up to 5.91 meters, intelligent all-wheel drive, a 31.18 kilowatt-hour battery, a lifting roof, generous water capacity, and a thoughtfully designed interior, it offers everything needed for comfortable travel. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe for more motorhome tours, new 2026 releases, and live coverage from the world's largest RV exhibitions.